first state to introduce English at the first standard level. Recently, the government has decided to introduce bilingual curriculum in state-run schools so that children can learn basic English vocabulary with dominant state language. So, English language is an important language. It is global language, that is lingua franca. It offers many job opportunities. It offers new acquaintances across the globe. It helps to get job easily. It is language of media. It is language of internet. It is language of business. And it offers access to multiple cultures. After getting degree with BA English, students are puzzled. They are confused. They cannot decide what to do after BA with English. And they go after commonly sought courses. These courses are MA, B.Ed, LLB and MBA. Actually, there are many opportunities available for the candidates with various capabilities and percentage with degree of English. There are many opportunities, but these opportunities are unknown to students. Now I'll focus on these opportunities. So after BA English, one can go for teaching and academia, media, civil services, journalism, law, content writing, and hospitality. Teaching and academia. Teaching is considered as one of the noble professions. Although it is not considered as a very glamorous profession as compared to other professions. But if anyone has passion for teaching and education, one can go for it because it is the best profession for the graduates of English. So, after taking degree with BA English, one can go for a job in school, junior college or university level. So, after graduation, one can go either for MA or B.Ed or even research. Now after BA with English, one can go for mass communication or social media. There are so many opportunities in the field of mass communication. One can go for advertising or one can go for filmmaking, editing, digital marketing, media planning, or broadcasting. So, mass communication offers so many opportunities. These opportunities are unlimited. One can go for internet, television, radio, newspaper or magazines. So in these fields, one can get a good job. Now, Civil services. A graduate from any field can prepare for civil services. But in fact, the study of literature surely helps for civil services. These civil service exams not only judge the knowledge base but test the opinion of the students who go for these opportunities or who go for civil services, because here the opinions and thoughts of those aspirants are tested. Now, in civil services, there are so many opportunities, as one can go for Indian Administrative Services, that is IAS, or Indian Police Services, that is IPS, Indian Forest Services, that is IFOS, Indian Foreign Services, that is IFS, Indian Civil Account Service, that is ICS, Indian Revenue Services, that is IRS, Indian Railway Account Service, that is IRAS, and Indian Information Service, that is IIS. So, there are so many opportunities in civil services. Students can have good scope in the field of journalism also. So they can go for broadcast journalism or sport journalism, investigate journalism, or newspaper reporter, freelance writer, or they can become foreign correspondent. So in the field of journalism also, they have so many opportunities. Now after graduation, they can go for law. So even in the field of law, they can go for civil law, criminal law, or intellectual property law, tax law, or corporate law. So one can make career in the field of law. Now another option for the graduates of English is creative writing. When we think of a writer, it usually means writing down our thoughts in artistic way. So nowadays, the graduates of English can get good income by becoming creative writers. If they are capable of getting employed for creative writing, they can be hired for writing poems, stories, screenplays, songs, speeches, and other literature in English. And they are paid a good sum. They can become magazine writer or blogger or author or content writer. So even in the field of creative writing, they have good opportunities. Now in the field of hospitality, they can go for event management or public relations or corporate communication. So here we can say that after BA English, there are so many opportunities. such as teaching, media, civil services, journalism, law, creative writing, and hospitality. So, one can go for these fields after taking degree from English. After all, success has no definite head start in life. It mainly depends on three things: your talent, your hard work, and your dedication. So, good luck for your future. Do your best. Thank you. All the best.